A ZDL file is a label design created by Avery DesignPro. The software is old and discontinued, but you can still find the launcher online to print your labels. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how to get it running. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium ZDL file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. Within its metadata, the ZDL carries the flag for the page layout file classification. It utilizes the Avery DesignPro label format. Avery DesignPro Label Project file .zdl is a proprietary format for defining high-precision print layouts for adhesive media. It contains coordinates, font styling, and graphical metadata required to align designs with standard Avery sheet goods. Developed by Avery Dennison for DesignPro 5.0. Design rules define non-printing safety zones, gutter width constraints, and object snap increments. These parameters ensure graphical elements remain within the physical boundaries of pre-cut templates. The most widely recognized opener for ZDL is unequivocally Avery Design and Print from Avery Products Corporation. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows cannot reveal layers or layout grids, so compatible software is required. Begin the compatibility check by right-clicking your ZDL file and selecting Open With. Use Avery Design and Print if it's an option. If not, test any other program in the list. Keep testing until the ZDL file opens. If your ZDL file will not open yet, do not panic. The system isn't broken, the file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this ZDL error before we apply the universal fix. First, use Avery Design and Print. To open a .zdl file, navigate to the Avery Design and Print online website. This cloud-based application replaces the retired DesignPro software. Next, Load Project tool. Legacy ZDL files, created in DesignPro 5.0, must be uploaded using the Load Project feature. Once the file is selected, the system converts the positioning data into a modern format. Verify all text and barcodes align correctly before saving as PDF. Finally, check browser compatibility. If the file fails to upload, clear your browser cache or switch to Google Chrome for optimal compatibility. Ensure your pop-up blocker is disabled, as the print preview window requires a new tab to generate the final high-resolution label template. If open source programs also failed on your ZDL file, we've confirmed this is a professional-level problem. The solution is to try a dedicated inspection utility. When the problem persists after using specialized software, the ZDL problem lies in the format's complexity. FileMagick is engineered to master hundreds of formats that Windows ignores. Go to filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers. Remember to check out the FileMagick resource.